how are we going to use molar mass? Well, we're going to use molar mass by, we're going to use molar mass by converting or interconverting between grams and moles. And so we're going to take these values and we're going to find the molar mass and use that then to convert moles to grams. So C, we're going to need the molar mass here because we're going from moles to grams. C, there's 2 C's. H, there's 6 H's. So C, remember 12.011, and H was 1.008. So 2 times 12.011 plus 6 times 8, we get, that is 30.07 in the units, grams per mole. So once we have that, now we can do the math. Moles, and then we set up our X line. It's a conversion factor, so it's a conversion problem, so we just have to set up our X line. I say that, right? We set up our X line, like you may have seen this before. But regardless, I call it an X line. We're going to set up a multiplication problem. We put moles on the bottom, we put grams on the top. Here, we know that 1 mole has a mass of 30.07 grams. Notice moles cancel, and when we multiply that together, 0.965 times 30.07, we get that the mass of that many grams is 20.0 grams C2H6. Always add the compound that you have the mass of. Maybe right now it's not a big deal, but later on when you do this, you may have 4, 5, 6, 12 different compounds, and it's good to know that this is the mass of C2H6. Now for aluminum nitrate, let's find the molar mass. Aluminum. Let's see, I'll do it up here. Let me erase this here. So aluminum, we don't know, but there's one of those times whatever its molar mass is. Nitrogen, so there's 3 of these nitrates. So that means there's 3 nitrogens. And oxygens, there's 9 times 15.999. And now I'm going to go to the periodic table to find aluminum. 28.982 and nitrogen 14.007. So aluminum 28.982 and nitrogen is 14.007. Add those up. So 28, clear this. 28.982 plus 3 times 14.007 plus 9 times 15.999. Do that, and we get a mass of 214.994 grams per mole. Notice I'm reporting that out to as many sig figs as I can get. That's good stuff. So we're going to start with the number given that we're trying to convert. We're going to set up our X line. Grams on the bottom, moles on the top. 1 mole for every 214.994 grams. And now we do that math. 23.8 divided by 214.994. And we get that that is 0.111 moles of AlNO3. Okay, so there is molar mass, and using it to do some very straightforward conversion problems. Keep practicing, and see you later.